Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upper side after reclaiming a horizontal line of support above the 0.08189, flipping it back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing an additive structure that is playing out here on the chart, giving you the possible scenarios that can play out in the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.13182, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for that wave 2 highlighted on the chart, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of these wave 3, and the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the wave 2. And the first target area that I was paying attention to in the formation of the wave 3 was the fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.8818, an area that we fully maximized, and we saw a drop to the 0.079992 before we started a bit of a bounce over here in what I have been terming as the formation of this wave 4 to the upper side, though the most ideal target area for the wave 4 was between the 0.1 and the 0.09526, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize. Then yesterday you can see that we continued to see further breakdown moves over here in what I have been terming as the formation of the wave 5 to the downside, and the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by extending the fib extensions over here to the low we made in the formation of that wave 3, and the minimum target area lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.06016, an area that Kaspa can easily tag in the next coming hours or maybe days. But for that to play out, we first need to see a substantial break to the lower side of our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189. The moment we manage to flip it back into resistance, then there's a very high chance that we are going to continue seeing that continuation into that target area. But if by any chance we continue seeing some impulsive movements over here, then there's a very high chance that we could easily see a reaction to the upside and maybe even see a change of trend over here in the next coming days, since we continue to hold above Fibonacci key areas, that is horizontal lines of support here on the 4-hour chart. So for now, let us be patient and continue monitoring this key area of support above the 0.08189, because the moment we lose it again, then it is most likely that we are going to continue heading a little bit lower to the 0.06. And that is all for this video, and I believe I will catch you on the next one.